Okay, now let me try it by myself. Because this progress is already adjusted, so it can just be practiced by men, by 41 people. And now I will try it by myself. First, I need to put on my gloves and put on my safety glasses. Okay. So I have one piece of this workpiece. I will put it to the clamps. And okay, it's already fastened. And now you say we touch this button. Now we touch this button. It will be fastened and clamps by the two sides. And you see the screen. There is the light, the horizontal line already to the welding seam align. So it means that it's fastened okay, its position is okay. So I can step the foot switch here. Let me see, try it. Okay, now the machine is going. It's automatically going to seam weld. Okay, now the welding is finished. I just touch this button and then it's very hot, so I put it out. You see, this is already weld a circle. So I think its operation is very easy, can just carry out by me. So if the progress is already set okay, and all the clamps is designed well, so only one people just trained by half an hour, I think, can just operate this machine. So it's very easy to operate. If you have family want to start out a business, you can try this machine. It's very useful to just kitchen accessories and like the bathroom accessories. So many small parts like the cups and the bottles, you can use this machine, and the clamps will be customized for your requirements. So I think this is a good machine, and if you want to make this machine, you can contact us. So thank you. Yeah, finished.